Now we can see data types. Data types means what? It is a type of data. When we are writing a program, we must declare a variable with data types. So now we can see the types of data or data types. There are three data types: built-in data types, derived data types, user-defined data types. Built-in data types, or we can say primitive data types. So built-in data types are int, float, character. Derived data types are array, function, pointer, reference. User defined data types are structure, union, class, enumeration. So the data types are similar to C, that is in C++ we are going to see additional data types are class and reference. Okay, now first we can see built-in data types. So built-in data types are integer, float, character, double, void. So if you want to use character, you can use the keyword char. If you are using the numbers, integer number, you can use keyword int. The number is decimal or floating number, we can use float. Then for decimal point we can use double. Then void is a valueless. First we can see integer data types. For integer data types we must use the keyword int. That is, when we are taking value, integer value, that is whole number. Integer means whole number. For example 25 is a whole number, so we can declare int x. So size of integer is 2 bytes. That is, 1 byte means 8 bits. So 2 bytes means 16 bits. So it can store values from negative -214748346 this much. So for example, int age equal to 15. Age is a variable name. 15 is assigned to age variable and it is a integer data types. Next, float. So float means we can write the number with decimal points. So float and doubles are used to store floating point numbers. So size of float is 4 byte and size of double is 8 bytes. For example, pi values 3.14. Here we are using small decimal point number. So that for that we can use float. Then double volume. For large numbers we can use large decimal numbers, we can use large decimal point numbers, we can use double. Characters. So characters we can use the keyword char. The size of char is 1 byte. So when we are writing characters, it must write within single quotes. Next one, void. Void means nothing. It returns no values. Next one is user defined data types. User defined data types means the name which is given by the user is known as user defined data types. Example, structure, union, class, enumeration. So we know about structure, union, enumeration. In C++ we are going to see about class. So class we can define within the first we have to write class name, open the curly brace, data members and member function, and we have to close the quotes. So first we have to write keyword, then class name. The class name is given by the user. Okay, within the class we have block of codes, that is we can declare the data members and member functions. Then derived data types, that is data types are derived from basic data types is known as derived data types. So example, arrays, pointers, functions, reference, etc.